We are back with 20 coolest car gadgets on Amazon you will need in 2024. So without further ado, let's get started. Upgrade your driving experience with this head-up display that ensures focus on the road while accessing vital information. Linking to your phone through Bluetooth, it integrates smoothly with your favorite navigation apps, offering immediate notifications and texts without compromising safety. It boasts a sleek design that seamlessly fits into any car interior, enabling hands-free phone calls. Installation is a quick process taking mere seconds. Explore additional features like side and rear view cameras with wide angles, robust weatherproof bodies, and night vision capabilities for clear visibility in darkness, making every drive safer and more enjoyable. Experience seamless cellular connectivity even in the most remote areas with this signal booster. Consisting of 3 crucial components, the outside antenna, signal amplifier, and inside antenna. This gadget amplifies and distributes the improved signal throughout your vehicle. The installation package includes all the essentials for a hassle-free setup. Adding to its convenience, the booster features a built-in USB port for charging your phone. Suitable for any vehicle type, be it cars, trucks, or vans, simply place the booster under the seat, conceal the cables, and enjoy a strong signal, and even have access to 5G networks. Introducing an efficient car dryer that you'll love to own. This compact device swiftly dries your car, leaving it ready to roll in minutes. Beyond interior drying, it's perfect for blowing away hood dust and cleaning wheels. Featuring a 10-foot hose and 3 versatile nozzles, this dryer provides exceptional flexibility. Select from 3 temperature levels to suit various materials. With its low noise and twin filter system, this blower operates quietly and efficiently to get the job done. Weighing only 5 pounds, it's incredibly user-friendly and easy to store. No more fuel shortages. Bid farewell to the hassle of refueling your car on the road with TerraPump. Easily install it on your fuel can, insert the nozzle into your gas tank, and press the button to start the process. Enjoy a smooth transfer of 2.5 gallons per minute, and the pump automatically stops when the sensor detects a full tank. This versatile device can also efficiently refuel your bike, lawn mower, and gas generator, making the process easy and mess-free. Discover an innovative tire inflator that features a unique slime sealant that proficiently repairs punctures up to 1/4 inch from the inside. This effective slime repair can endure over 500 miles, allowing ample time to safely reach a tire repair facility. Beyond its puncture repairing capability, this inflator functions like a regular one. Simply plug it into the car socket, attach the hose, and start inflating with the push of a button. The built-in digital display enables real-time tracking of tire pressure. And for excess air, there's a dedicated deflate button solely for that purpose. As a driver, ensuring you are ready for unforeseen road emergencies is crucial, and that's where this compact multi-tool comes in handy. Designed for car accidents, it features a glass breaker to help you in quick exits and a built-in belt cutter for situations when the safety belt is compromised. For swift access, consider clipping this essential tool directly onto your safety belt. In roadside emergencies, visibility is paramount. And that's when you'll need this emergency lighting kit. Equipped with 4 powerful lights capable of illuminating up to a mile away and a 360-degree direction, ensuring you're easily noticed. Simply place the lights around your vehicle, activate them, and choose from various emergency flashing modes. The magnetic mechanism and hook make attaching lights to your car very easy. The kit includes a compact bag and screws for added convenience. Prioritizing your safety on the road is paramount, and the Baseus MP3 player is designed for such purpose. Securely mounted on your windshield for easy access and music control. With a simple button press, connect it to your phone via Bluetooth, and synchronize the car FM to the device's frequency. Plus, the MP3 player is solar-powered, ensuring you won't worry about low battery anymore. Enhance your car's visual appeal with this captivating LED display. Controlled via a dedicated mobile app, it offers a selection of thousands of emojis, smiles, and lively animations. Express your sentiments from announcing a baby on board to showing support for your favorite team. Unleash your creativity by crafting your own images and texts. The display is easy to install on any window, and it seamlessly integrates with Siri and Google Assistant for secure hands-free operation. Adding to the excitement, it comes with preloaded 8-bit games, ensuring enjoyable journeys for your passengers. While I strongly advocate for safe and responsible driving, if you occasionally find yourself indulging in carefree driving when no one's around, a laser radar detector is a practical tool to evade unwanted speeding tickets. Effortlessly mounted on your windshield and set it up. Equipped with built-in Wi-Fi, seamlessly integrates with connected cars. Its clear and visible arrows ensure 360-degree threat detection, indicating the direction of potential dangers. The standout feature is its auto-learn technology, intelligently filtering out false alerts from specific locations. This advanced detector also offers ample warning time, enabling you to adjust your speed accordingly. Experience the epitome of swift and secure electric vehicle charging with the ChargerMan Tesla to J1772 charging adapter. This indispensable adapter is universally compatible with all non-Tesla electric vehicles equipped with J1772 charging ports. It not only facilitates the use of a Tesla charging port but also allows for the use of a Tesla wall connector, destination charger, and mobile connector, delivering rapid charging capability across various electric vehicles. Compact and portable, it conveniently fits into your glove box, ensuring charging access at any station you visit. With a rapid charging speed of up to 80 amps and 40 kilowatt-hours, your electric vehicle can achieve a full charge in just 4 hours. While not designed for DC fast charging at 40 kilowatts, this adapter excels in handling intense AC power loads. Featuring a robust double lock and key system, the ChargerMan Tesla charging adapter guarantees secure and confident electric vehicle charging. In situations where you've encountered erratic and dangerous drivers on the road, it's time to take control with the Rove R2 4K dashcam. This in-car camera acts as an extra pair of vigilant eyes that video records the unfolding events during your journey. Designed to identify reckless drivers and shield you from unwarranted liabilities, the Rove R2 4K is a top-tier performer in the industry. Boasting a powerful 4K advanced camera with a 2160-pixel resolution, it utilizes an advanced Sony StarVis sensor for clear footage, even in low-light conditions. The newly integrated distortion correction algorithm ensures an undistorted video experience. With built-in Wi-Fi, the Rove app allows instant viewing and management of recordings on both iOS and Android devices. You can effortlessly download videos onto your phone and share them with friends and family. The built-in GPS feature enables you to track your driving route on Google Maps, providing accurate records of your location and speed. Equipped with cutting-edge features like f1.8 apertures, an auto-triggered parking mode, and a 150-degree wide-angle lens, it supports up to a 512GB microSD card. Engineered to endure various extreme temperatures, this dashcam is rigorously tested to withstand both high and low temperature conditions. Additionally, it comes with a written user manual, ensuring ease of understanding and comprehensive guidance for any dashcam enthusiast. Say goodbye to the hassle of constantly plugging in your phone for Apple's CarPlay or Google's Android Auto with the CarLinkit 4.0 wireless adapter. Featuring dual-band Wi-Fi and Bluetooth support, along with a powerful dual-core chip, it ensures a stable and seamless streaming experience. This wireless adapter enables wireless Android Auto on your car display, extending the same convenience to Apple phone users. Compatible with most phone models, it seamlessly integrates with the original OEM CarPlay in your car. Plugging it in takes 10 seconds, and retains all the applications of wired CarPlay, now made effortlessly hands-free with Hi Siri and Hi Google commands, no bulky app downloads required. If you spend considerable time in your car, consider buying the CarLinkit 4.0 wireless adapter. If you want an upgrade for your car mount, then allow me to introduce you to an impressive option, the semi-automatic solar phone mount. A simple button press opens the wings automatically, providing a secure grip for your phone. The silicone cover ensures a firm attachment, and you can manually adjust the mount to vertical or horizontal mode. What sets it apart is the solar charging feature, ensuring a continuous power supply. Additionally, there's a convenient Type-C backup charging port available. Do you struggle when cleaning the underside of your car at home? Bid farewell to that hassle with the WarmQ undercarriage cleaner. This revolutionary gadget simplifies your life with its 4 innovative nozzles designed for attachment to a pressure washer. With its unique shape, it effortlessly navigates under your vehicle, and the high-pressure water jet efficiently eliminates dirt from even the most hard-to-reach places. Equipped with built-in rollers, it facilitates easy handling and prevents unnecessary exertion. Moreover, its telescopic handle ensures comfortable work, no matter the size of your car. Introducing the Rove Baby Car Camera, a versatile and user-friendly device designed to provide parents with a secure and effective way to monitor their babies during car journeys. With its high-definition 1080p display, this camera ensures sharp and clear visuals of the baby's surroundings. The 170-degree wide-angle lens offers an expansive field of view, enabling parents to observe their children from various angles. Equipped with infrared night vision, it ensures clear monitoring in low-light conditions. Installation is simple. Attach it to the car's dashboard and headrest using the sturdy bracket, and connect it via the video cable to the car's cigarette outlet for power. Overall, the Rove Baby Car Camera is the ideal choice for parents seeking a dependable and high-quality video monitoring system for their little ones. Meet Rove Viva, the essential gadget for keeping you focused on the road. This Bluetooth car charger brings Siri and Google Assistant right by your side, enabling quick and safe smartphone interactions. With a variety of useful commands, you can make calls, play music, and set up navigation without taking your eyes off the road. Additionally, it boasts 2 USB ports for charging your mobile devices, and the integrated LED light indicates connection status and incoming phone calls. Here's a portable car handrail designed to facilitate easy entry and exit from your vehicle. This innovative accessory attaches to the door lock without the need for tools, making it a convenient solution for the elderly or individuals facing mobility challenges. Offering extra support and stability, the handrail securely holds your arm, easing the process of sitting down or standing up. Sturdy and lightweight, the design can withstand up to 300 pounds of force, ensuring durability and reliability. Installing on either side of the door, it provides flexibility and can be easily transferred to another car when necessary. The rubberized plastic handle offers a comfortable, slip-resistant grip, and its bright color enhances visibility, especially for those with poor eyesight. Enhance your night driving with the Govee Interior LED car light set. Simply connect the cable to a DC adapter, attach the switch near your gearbox, and position the lights beneath your seats. With the user-friendly app, easily switch them on or off and customize colors according to your preference. A superb gadget to elevate your driving in the evenings. Let me share with you a versatile fire extinguisher designed to combat various types of fires. It excels in addressing short circuits and electrical wiring and effectively extinguishes flames from fabric, paper, cardboard, wood, and lithium-ion batteries found in modern devices. Unlike powder extinguishers, it employs a safe liquid composition, preventing electrical conductivity and safeguarding expensive equipment. Certified to international safety standards, it has successfully undergone rigorous testing according to the manufacturer. Its user-friendly nature allows even children to use it, making it an ideal emergency solution for various situations. This is the list of some of the coolest car gadgets available on Amazon. I hope you liked it. If you find this video useful, hit the like button, so YouTube will promote it to more people. Also, if you enjoy seeing these useful gadgets all the time, then subscribe to this channel for such videos every week. In addition to the video you have watched, and the ones that I'm recommending to you, you'll find some of the best gadgets that'll make your life easier. I am Philip, and this is Bazillion Tech Review. See you in the next one.